What's up, man? Still here, still waiting. You know what I mean? Look at all them trucks. A sea of trucks. Everywhere. I mean, trailers. Everywhere. Right? How you ain't got enough trucks for all these trailers? Stupid. You know what I'm saying? I bust my ass, man. Come in here. Supposed to start at 6. I mean, this motherfucker 5:10, 5:15. Start my running, making my money. And that ain't shaking. Because they don't want a nigga to leave. It's not my problem. You a company. You should know, beyond the shadow of a doubt, if this truck goes down, it needs to be done and fixed ASAP. We got freight. Y'all speedy a text out to everybody. Oh yeah, we got our own freight now. You know, don't turn nothing down. It's 20 to 15%, no, 20 to 25% more now. So we need y'all to take all y'all loads. I ain't never turned a load down anyway, so it didn't matter to me. But how y'all gonna get all that and ain't got enough trucks? I'm just saying, man. If you trying to get paid, be successful, and do all that, shouldn't your first main concern be to get extra trucks? They got 2 over there. Oh, we don't have no trucks. All right, it's cool. I ain't worried about it. Safety course perfect. No accidents, no nothing. Think I'm really finna worry about it? Nope. But the first fish come along, I'm going, if it's the right one, I'm going. Plain and simple. Life ain't waiting on nobody. Like I always say. Can't nobody make a change but you. So the first big fish come along, if I like what they talking about, I like what they see, what I'm seeing, hey, deuces. Plain and simple. Can't pay bills sitting. Bills don't pay themselves either. So yeah, it's what time is it, man? Phone tripping. It's 10:29. I got here at 5:30. You knew these truck wasn't fixed this morning. I wasn't gonna say nothing. You could have told me that I could have stayed at home and went and found me another gig or something. I ain't got time. Money don't wait on nobody. Nobody. And neither do the bill man. Everybody know who the bill man is. Everybody got the bill man in their face. Ain't no way in the world any of this should be happening. You're a $1 billion company. How you a $1 billion company with like 6 or 7 trucks? But you got, I don't know, 40, 50, 60 something trailers in the yard. Over the road freight, over the road drivers. But you ain't got a truck for a local driver. I guess. Alright, y'all. Shaman Rebirth. Dealing with the BSness of the day. Alright, y'all.